Oh, hey, I thought somebody said something about my hair. Your girl tried some Amazon.com microlinks. She did. If you guys are interested in hearing more about my experience for the first time with microlinks, installing them myself, then stick around for this video. All right, guys. So as you saw, I am telling you a little bit about my microlinks and showing you how I install them. I purchased these microlinks from Amazon.com. And I have the link down below if you guys are interested in looking at them, purchasing them. Highly recommend them. I mean, as you can see, it like blends in perfectly with my hair. My hair, of course, is a little poofy. I can do so much with it. Look at this, y'all. The hair is super soft, super flowy, very natural feeling. Curls great, flat irons great. Highly recommend it. If there's any questions that you have that I do not answer, because I'm just going to use most of the time to show you how I install them and just the manageability of the hair, drop your questions below, comments below. Let me know if you've used these. So these are not just microlink tips, they are microlink loops. So the really cool thing about this, and you'll see it in the video that I show you, there's a loop at the top. So it makes it super easy to self-install. So absolutely love them. And that is all. Let's get right into the video. So here is my hair before I do anything to it. I have shampooed it, blow dried it, and that's about it. So as you can see, my ends need some TLC seriously. So this is just letting you see the length and how it looks before I install the microlink loop. Okay guys, so I am back. I have clipped my ends a little bit, made it look a little bit better. I'm no professional by any means necessary, but I'm going to just show you guys what I'm going to be doing today. So I have this micro loop hair extensions. It is 16 inches. It is 1 gram per strand, and it came with 100 strands. Here is the benefit of this. So this is what the hair looks like. So you can see it's kind of like a yucky texture. So these are the cool things. These are the loops. So these are the micro link loops. So as you can see, each one has a loop on it, and then it has the little micro link bead. So this is supposed to make it easier for installing, and I hope that is the case because your girl don't want to give up and actually want to do this. So I'm going to take you along with me on this journey of installing these micro link loops. And if you're interested in seeing how I do that, stick around. First things first, as you can see, it came in 4 different sections. So this is about the amount of hair in one section, so 4 different sections. So I assume 100 of them is 25 in each section. So just to give you a little bit of a background, what you will need is, of course, this and the tools. From the benefit of the microlink loops is that you should only need the pliers to close the bead. This kit that I got from Amazon, I will also link it below. It did come with some needles. It came with the loopers, some beads, which I do not need, but it also came with a couple of other cool tools, like pins and things like that, which I will use the clips for clipping some of your hair off. That will be great when I am sectioning my hair. So the main tool is the pliers, but for the price of the pliers, for just the pliers, it was around the same price. So why not get all of the tools in case one day down the line I decide that I want to be adventurous and actually do the regular microlinks. Alrighty, so I am taking the little thing off, and I will show you guys one of the individual ones. Boy, they got these things tied good. Let's see. All right, so this is one of them. I'm gonna put them over there so I do not mess it up, but this is how it looks. So you see the loop? So the loop is here. What I'm supposed to do from my understanding is I put my hair through it, and then I pull this through. You see, I put my hair through it, I pull it through, and then my hair comes through, and then I take the pliers, sorry, I haven't unwrapped them, and then I push the pliers to bend the bead, okay? So I'm going to get started in the back, and once I get up to the front, I will show you guys how I install. So just to give you guys an overview of what I plan to do to ensure that the microlinks are covered. Of course, I won't put any at the edges of my hair. Around the sides, I will leave some hair out to properly cover it if I want to pull it up. And in the back, this hair will be left down, so I'm not putting any microlinks on this. So when you pull it up, it will cover it. So the hair that I'm going to be using to put the microlinks on is this hair that's up. So I'll take the clip and pretty much do something like this, where I kind of pull out some hair like that, you know, get a piece of hair and use this hair. So let me see, because I did not have the clip closed. So let's see. So I'm going to take the hair like that. I have a piece of hair, and forgive me because clearly I cannot see it myself. So I have probably about that much hair, and I think I need to get some more because that seems kind of thin. You don't want to have a thin piece of hair because it will be a lot of strain on your hair. So this is about how much I have. So I'm going to take my first loop, and let me unwrap my pliers because I will need them next. Okay, so I got my piece of hair right here. I got my microlink loop, and so as you can see, I'm going to put my hair in the loop. You see it in the loop. Hope you can see it. And then I am going to take the loop, the end of the loop, and I'm going to pull it out. And if it doesn't pull through easy, that means you have too much hair. So that's a tall tale. If it's not pulling through easy, you are putting too much hair in those. So I will take some of the hair out that I had. I'll put it back up. I will try again with a smaller piece of hair. So put it through the loop, put it close, and then pull through. So it should pull your hair through, and you should be left with just this, okay? And so what you're gonna do next is you are going to, hold on, let's see. Let me move my hair out the way. You're gonna take your pliers, make sure that pull your hair a little bit through that, and make sure it's close to your root, but not right at your root because you do not want it to pinch and strain your hair. Take the pliers and pretty much go in and clamp it. So as you can see, it has secured your microlink. Hope you can see that clearly. And like I said, I am a beginner at this, so I am learning myself. As Kenny watches me through the door, I am learning myself, so this is going to be a transition. So guys, I am on the side of my head. I will show you what I have so far back here. Looks kind of crazy because my hair, I did not straighten my hair all the way so that it did have some texture to help the microlink stick. So this is one right here, and I am putting one right here. So I grabbed about this much hair, and I'm going to take the loop, and I'm going to put my hair through the loop. So as you can see, my hair is through the loop, and this is got this little piece right here, this little piece. This is what I'm going to pull. I'm going to pull it and pull the loop, and my hair comes through it. Very simple. I pull my hair all the way up to the root, not to the root, but a little bit from the root. So kind of right there. Then I take my pliers and I pinch the bead. So I just kind of snap the bead down until it gets flat. And there we go. It is secure. See? And the key to the beads is you want to pinch them this way. So you want to pinch them parallel with your hair, because you don't want to pinch them that way because then it will make it not lay flat. So this one I feel like is not close enough to my scalp. So if you feel like you need to take it apart, you can always go the opposite way like that and open the bead back up. I'm going to push it up some more, and then repinch it. So to say that is how you remove the micro links. You go in like this and pinch the bead to open the bead, okay?
Say another word. Thank you.
Yeah, well, I don't know why you worry. There's no reception out here.
Wait, what?
Yep.
No, what about the Wi-Fi?
Nope.
What the hell?
Joe Biden will not raise taxes on anyone making under $400,000. Biden will close tax loopholes for big corporations.
So here's a tip that I did before I separated all of the loops on the ring. I took them and I just passed the flat iron through it because it is a yucky texture. So it does have a crinkle to it that is somewhat difficult to remove. So just doing this allows it to straighten out some, as you can see. Good tip. Y'all, so I'm coming to show you what my micro links look like after I've straightened my hair, blending it in, and it is done. So this is the final look. And my hair, I have to put something on it for the humidity to make it a little more, you know, not crazy, but this is the final look. I did a middle part. As you can see on the sides, if I want to pin my hair up, I can. Do a little turn for you guys. Look at this bounce. Hey, hey, hey. Whoa, whoa. Telling y'all, this movement is insane. So now I'm gonna show you how I put it up in a ponytail. I can do a high pony. Check me out. Check me out. Check me out. I can do a bun. Yo. Oh, I had some hair, a piece left out. But this is amazing. Like, come on, y'all. Your girl is excited is an understatement. Get you some micro link loops. Link down below. And then watch this takedown. Whew, 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 whew. Uh-oh, my earring came out. My son is down here looking at me like, what is wrong with my mama? All right, guys. Thank you for watching my video. The moral of the story is these micro link loops are super easy to install, very cute, convenient. The hair is amazing, blends well, curls well. Will definitely be purchasing again. Love it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.